Hey Binance users, want to make your Binance account more private and secure? Let me show you how in just 5 easy steps. Step 1. Enable two-factor authentication or 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Use an app like Google Authenticator. When you log in or make a transaction, you'll need to enter a code from the app. Simple, right? Step 2. Adjust your account settings for more privacy. Head to your profile and turn off public trading stats. This keeps your trading activity hidden from others. No one needs to know your business. Step 3. Be mindful of your personal information. Avoid sharing your email address or wallet addresses publicly. The less exposure, the better. Step 4. Stay vigilant against phishing scams. Never click on suspicious links or emails claiming to be from Binance. Always double-check the sender's information. If in doubt, go directly to the official Binance website. Step 5. Use strong and unique passwords. Avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. Consider using a password manager to keep track of them. By following these steps, you can significantly increase the privacy and security of your Binance account. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Happy trading and stay secure. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more tips.